Welcome to the National Geographic Explorer. For the next 10 days, we'll be exploring one of the most pristine locations in the planet, Antarctica. Antarctica is not only pristine, but it's wild, it's inaccessible.
What's that all about? Now you have to multiply what you see above water by about 7 or 8, so that's what's below water.
Outside, it's definitely rough sea. It looks like it's building up. And hold on, like 40%.
More or less in the middle of it, and yeah, we will have this for about another 20 hours or so. This is what it is sometimes in Drake Passage. It could be worse. If the prediction had been worse, we have been waiting. Legal channel. The wave height, about 8 meters or so. Some here and there can be up to 10. And that was also already predicted. It is a good visibility, and the seabirds here. This is fine actually. It's not so bad.
Actually, it's beautiful. It wouldn't be a trip across this passage without this. But most enjoyable, and just to some it's peaceful. To me, it's peaceful.
She left already? Hi everybody! Welcome to Antarctica. Your first landing. Excellent. After a somewhat bumpy transit of the Drake Passage, we've arrived in the South Shetland Islands, just off the Antarctic Peninsula. Our first landing here in the South Shetlands is a place called Ho Island, like the letters H-O, and in fact it stands for the Hydrographic Office.
It's sort of a little otherworldly, to be honest. I'm sort of breathless. I mean, I can't really explain it. It's quite amazing.
It's a wonderful place for a first landing. There are two kinds of penguins nesting here, gentoos and chinstraps. And they're really busy at their nesting behavior at the moment. They've come ashore, they've built their nests. Most of them are incubating eggs now. In the summer season here in the Antarctic, the penguins have to move to get their young eggs hatched, fed, and mature in time for them to go to sea before the winter. So it's a busy time for penguins and a great time for us to visit.